Connecting Notion to ChatGPT allows you to access and interact with your Notion content directly through ChatGPT. This integration is done through the Apps or Plugins section. This tutorial outlines the steps. What the process does: the Notion plugin allows ChatGPT to read and interact with content in your Notion workspace. Depending on the connector permissions, ChatGPT may be able to summarize notes, draft new pages, or assist with organizing information directly within Notion. The integration requires a Notion account and authorization. Steps to connect Notion to ChatGPT. First, log into your ChatGPT account. On the left side of the screen, look for the option labeled Plugins or Apps. Click it to open the available integrations. In the search box at the top, type Notion, select Notion from the search results, click the Install button to begin the integration. A prompt will ask if you want to add Notion to ChatGPT. Click to continue. You will be asked to sign in with your Notion account. Click the Sign In button. On the permission page, ensure you are logged into the correct Notion account, then scroll to the bottom and click Allow. After authorization, you will see a success message and be redirected back to ChatGPT. Notion will appear in your installed plugins or apps. To use it, start a new chat. Click the plus button in the chat input area and select Notion from the available sources. Limitation: this integration requires a Notion account and works only if the Plugins or Apps feature is available in your ChatGPT version. The Notion plugin may have usage limits depending on your ChatGPT subscription. Notion access permissions must be granted during setup, and ChatGPT will only be able to access workspaces or pages you explicitly authorize. This setup is best suited for users who want to leverage AI assistance for note-taking, content drafting, or information retrieval within Notion directly through ChatGPT.